Hello, this is Surf Perch, and what we have here is the absolute cheapest hamburger on the market. Bought this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. That's cheaper than anything from McDonald's, anything from Burger King, Wendy's, Jack in the Box, whatever other stores. And according to this, it has 410 calories, so that is roughly like a full meal worth of calories. Should keep me pretty full. So yeah, it's fast bites, so it should be fast. So cheap that it actually says it's American imitation cheese, not actual cheese, so that's how you know they're cutting corners. But the question is, like, can this be fast, good, and cheap? Because we know it's fast and cheap, but they say that it's impossible for one thing to be all three of those. And today, we're going to find out if that is true. So look at this. It's not unappetizing, but at the same time, it's a frozen hamburger. What do you expect? Anyway, let's see about these heating instructions. Okay, I'll get this fixed up and I will show what it's like when I'm serving it. Here it is, the cheapest hamburger on the market, cooked up. It has a very unique smell, closer to, well, like halfway in between a Jimmy Dean sandwich and a cheeseburger. So it doesn't quite smell right. It doesn't smell bad, but it smells off. The bun feels a bit like wetter, I guess is the right word, but maybe that's just because the result of it being unfrozen. And I guess I should just get to taking a bite and seeing how it is. Oh wow, the bottom of this thing is like really wet. And also feels kind of hot. I'm gonna wait a minute just for it to cool down a little bit more, then we'll get back. Okay. Without further ado, I'm going to try one bite as it is, and then I'm going to add some ketchup to see if that changes the flavor any. And I have a cup of Shasta Cola to go with this, because name brand colas, that they're too rich for this burger's blood. You have to use the off-brands when pairing with this food. Okay. Very bready. Everything feels kind of like mushy. There's like faint hints of burger in there, but like it's like 80% bread, 20% burger, and yeah, the bread just overwhelms everything. It's not bad, it's just weird. I'm gonna have a sip of this. And it goes well with the cola, of course. I'm gonna add some ketchup and try a second bite. Yep. Okay, ketchup has been added, and let's see if this actually turns this into something similar to what you'd get at McDonald's or one of the restaurants. Okay, this actually, now with the ketchup, it kind of tastes like one of those really cheap hamburgers, those little like sliders. Like, I guess they use the same composition of beef that you get from like White Castle, or there were some other restaurants too. I cannot remember the name, but like, if I remember the name, I will put it up. But yeah, it tastes like one of those cheap like White Castle sliders, or like yeah. Which, not what I was expecting, but I don't know. Well, yeah, it's like better than what I was expecting, but it went in a different direction from what normal hamburgers do, which is interesting. So, I mean, if this is the only burger you can afford, I guess I would recommend this. But otherwise, I don't know why you'd want to get this when, like, There's other food at this price range within the same store that would probably be a better meal. And unless you have a craving for a hamburger and only have $1.25, then there's not really any reason to buy this. Anyway, thank you for watching this far. This has been Surf Perch, and I hope you enjoyed this video more than I enjoyed the burger.